Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to get perfect eyebrows at home. If you're tired of spending time and money at the salon, or you simply prefer to take care of your eyebrows on your own, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get flawless, natural-looking eyebrows from the comfort of your own home. We'll start with the basics, including the tools and products you'll need to achieve your desired look. Then, we'll move on to the step-by-step process of shaping and filling in your brows, demonstrating each technique along the way. But we won't stop there. We'll also share tips and tricks for maintaining your eyebrows between grooming sessions and offer advice on how to choose the right products for your unique brow needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced eyebrow groomer, there's something in this tutorial for everyone. So, grab your tweezers and your brow powder, and get ready to master the art of eyebrow grooming. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge and skills you need to get perfect eyebrows at home. Step 1. Assess your natural brow shape. The first step to getting perfect eyebrows at home is to assess your natural brow shape. Everyone's eyebrows are unique, and the key to achieving perfect brows is to work with your natural shape. Start by brushing your eyebrows upwards and outwards with a clean spoolie or eyebrow brush. This will help you see the natural shape of your brows and any areas that may need to be filled in or trimmed. Step 2. Determine your ideal brow shape. Once you've assessed your natural brow shape, it's time to determine your ideal brow shape. You can use a brow pencil or a ruler to help you map out the ideal shape. Generally, the brow should begin at the inner corner of the eye, arch at the outer edge of the iris, and end at the outer corner of the eye. Use a brow pencil to mark the areas where your brow should begin, arch, and end. This will help you create a symmetrical shape that complements your face. Step 3. Pluck stray hairs. Now that you've mapped out your ideal brow shape, it's time to pluck any stray hairs outside of the desired shape using a clean, slanted tweezer. Avoid overplucking and only remove a few hairs at a time to avoid creating bald patches. Start by plucking hairs underneath the arch of your brow and work your way towards the inner corner of your eye. Remember to step back and assess your